everyone, it's Evelyn again, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dragonfly keychain. So you're going to be needing a string, 2 beads, a keychain, a pair of scissors, and a hot glue gun. So now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to take your string and thread the beads onto it. And then align the ends and pull the beads all the way down and set it down. And then pull the beads up so that there's like about this much space there. And then pull these down to make an M shape. And you cross one end over, this one over, and the same one go under the cross that it makes. And then slowly pull. And then you take this one and cross it over, this one and cross it over, and the same one and cross it under the cross. And then pull. And then you do it one more time. And then, to make the wings, you cross this over, this one over, and then under, and then pull, but don't pull it all the way. And then, you cross it over, and then under. And then you pull. And then you just push this up and then adjust it. And then you have the first wing. And then you do that same thing again for the second wing. Adjust it. And push it up. And then you're done with the wings. Then you keep on repeating the pattern that you did at the beginning until you think the dragonfly is long enough. And when you think it's long enough, just take your scissors and cut it, but leave a little extra. Do the same to the other side. And then it's ready to hot glue. Okay, so now that I have the hot glue gun ready, you just put a small drop of hot glue right in the middle. And then you fold these onto the glue. And then you just take your keychain, open it up, and put it on the loop, and then you're done. So now that you've finished, you can just put it on your backpack, and it makes a great accessory for it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!